Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Subaru Legacy Lancaster. It is all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. It has the 2.5 liter non-turbo 4-cylinder EJ25 with an automatic transmission. This Legacy has 45,823 miles. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, this vehicle does come in kilometers, as y'all can see up here. The number down here that y'all are seeing, 73,746. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 45,823. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. And if you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.